So after you've cut that lip of this donut off, then you want to just slide it up on top of the discharge pipe of the sump pump. You can put it way up there. That's a really nice thing. And we're going to have this directly underneath it, coming out to the main line. We got a 3x4 reducer or enlarger in this case. We're just going to put that over top of that donut. You can still see the pipe here is exposed. So we're going to cut a piece that comes from this joint here all the way up into the lip of the 3x4 pipe adapter. So I'm just going to get a rough measurement here. Cut me a piece of pipe. That's looking pretty good, because once again this is all adjustable up here. That's the nice thing about having that donut the way it is. You can adjust it. So I like to glue my fittings up that are, around the house, and I use Odie. This one's the all-purpose cement, and it's in the red and white container, and it's the one that you'll see first at the hardware store. This works great. This is the only fitting that you're gluing at this point. Don't glue anything else. Just get that in there real good and tight. And then get to where you about to where you want it. Just slide that over it for now. Now we're going to work on that downspout to drain. This is a tight fit, but it's going to be just right. I'm going to slide a 2x3x4 pipe adapter onto the spout. And I'm going to cut a piece of pipe. It just needs to be rough. 4-inch pipe is a wonderful thing. It fits up over top of the downspout fairly easily. Oh yeah, about right there. Next fitting that we're going to glue is that 90-degree elbow that's going on up here to the downspout. And there's no true glue that will chemically bond polyethylene to polystyrene, and that's what this is, polyethylene, and the fittings are polystyrene. It does work real good to hold it together and in place while you're working on it, and that's what we want. So I've cut in the depth wise pretty deep. Here I'm going to actually lift the whole system up an inch or two after I get it put together. So you don't want to glue this fitting, and you don't need to glue this fitting, at least not yet. You can see this is a pretty tight fit. It's going to work out just fine. Just nice small pieces in between. Good generous amount on your fittings. Seals it up real nice, but again, it's not a true chemical bond. But I like using it. It really makes it watertight while you're putting it in the ground. And once it's settled, it's not going to move, which is good. Get this side of the T for sump pump input. Oh, that's nice. It's going to be perfect. I like it. So we've got a nice seal, nice bond on everything going into this pipe system. Alright, so I've got nice pipe install up here by the wall in the corner, sump pump discharge to drain, and now